have a review on the Hono. This is by L&L Skin, and this is a massager for your body. I have been using this on my belly area and my legs especially, and I wanted to share with you guys my thoughts on this. So this device has one button here, and when you turn it on, it goes through a massage cycle, and I really enjoy like every part of the massage cycle. There's even a part where it warms up, and you can see that it has the light here. It does for just cleaning purposes and to keep it nice. It does have a little lid on it, and this is what the massage little bubbles look like. I do enjoy using this with a body lotion or an oil. I just feel like it smooths better and it goes on the skin a little bit better. I want to say the full name. So it's called the Hono EMS Sculpt Body Tightening Machine and Breast Massager. And yes, you can use this on your bust area, you can use this on your legs, your arms, anywhere that you feel the need to have a massage. And it goes through massaging, lifting, and 2 EMS variations for tightening. So you can use this to tighten your breast, arm, and belly skin. I have been using this on my belly to really help tighten, and I do feel like it's really improving it little by little. I don't feel like this is gonna be like a miracle thing where it's like gonna help it from one day to another. So I do feel like it's gonna take time. It isn't like something super noticeable right now. So maybe down the line, if I see a huge difference, I'll do like an update video and show like a before and after, because I did take pictures. But I feel like in the before and after, which I'll try to put the picture here so you guys can see it. Let me know if you guys see any difference, but I really want to use it where my C-section is, that lower belly, where my skin's stretched, where I have a lot of stretch marks because of having my son. And that's where I really wanted to use this. This is on the pricier side, so this is an investment if you want to invest into it. But basically it helps with lifting and firming your skin. How this works is that it has microcurrents, and what it does, it stimulates blood circulation and activates the thymus to help prevent the breast skin aging. It also helps with massaging to help restore skin elasticity because it promotes muscle movement and stimulates the muscle vitality. It's supposed to like activate your cells and stimulate like the deep subcutaneous tissue to the muscle and help repair the skin's elastic fiber. So a traditional massage is like all on the top of your skin compared to this one that penetrates more deeply because of the vibrations and also the warming effect that it gives. And basically what I do is that I put a lotion or an oil on my skin, and then I do this in circular motions going upwards just to help with the skin. Like I said, I've been using this mostly on my legs, the back of my legs, and also my belly area, but you could use this also with the bust area if you want to improve in lifting. And this will take time. This isn't like one day to another, but I really love the massage it gives, especially in my leg area. I feel like it really helps also with relaxation and with muscle tension. And also I just feel like it really helps with cellulite. It doesn't claim to do that, but I really feel like it has improved the cellulite on the back of my legs because it's giving like a massage effect and just really like going in there. And that is something that people say that helps with like when you do dry brushing. So I feel like this is kind of like my own dry brushing, but it's actually like a stimulation, a vibration stimulation. So I've really enjoyed the effects of this like vibrating and helping with the appearance of my legs as well. So I will update you guys in the long term if you guys want that. And it does have for a little plug here to constantly be able to recharge it. I absolutely just love the way this feels, not only as like a massage tool, but also just for like the benefits of skin elasticity and also just like lifting and firming. That is something that, you know, especially after you have a child, you really want to do for your belly. So this to me is like like skincare. It's something that I'm doing to see improvement in myself, and also just giving myself like at least 15 to 20 minutes of me time to do something nice for myself. And hopefully in the long run, I will see really great improvement in my belly area, which is the one that I really want to improve. And it also just feels really nice and relaxing. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll have any additional information in the down box. You can also follow me on my social media. They're all linked down below. And if you like this kind of video or any kind of beauty video, definitely subscribe by hitting that red button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.